Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This video is getting sparked up because I was on Twitter scrolling along. I end up seeing somebody talk about Avalanche. They could see it hit 100 to maybe $200 this bull run. That rubs me the wrong way. I'm distinctively making this video because they are not bullish enough. That's all I'm gonna say. Anybody who's thinking it's only gonna top out at 200, you are not bullish enough. So let's do a deep dive into AVAX Avalanche token and let's see why anyone would think this thing would stop at 200. That is shocking in my opinion. Starting out, create without limits. Build anything you want, any way you want on the lightning fast scalable blockchain that won't let you down. Choosing the wrong blockchain can kill your dApp before it ever has a chance to succeed, and it doesn't have to be that way. Launch with confidence on Avalanche. That is the best catch ever. Right there, intro, I'm in. Let's do this. If I was a developer, I would be all in this thing just from that alone. But let's dive on in here. Build it your way. Avalanche has advanced tooling you need to accelerate from idea to launch. Don't miss out because it took too long to deploy on mainnet. Take advantage of the low-code tooling and configurability that makes it easy to launch your Web3 innovation in less than 60 seconds. That's kind of shocking. That's very fast. But anyways, the blockchain built to scale. Subnets set a new bar for scalability without sacrificing speed, reliability, and security. Users hate waiting. Scaling at the cost of performance or security is not an option. Avalanche's novel architecture allows for a universe of independent and interconnected blockchains that are all validated and kept secure by dynamic subsets of validators. So this is essentially what Ethereum tried to do with sharding. It looks like Avalanche got it right. That's basically what I'm seeing right here, but of course it's way more technical than that, and I don't know all the logistics. Anyways, join Web3's most vibrant community. Find the answers, connections, and info you need to accelerate your Web3 aspirations. Over the last year, tens of thousands of people came together at Avalanche's events worldwide as one of the industry's most diverse and supportive communities. Okay, great. Avalanche boasts members of all walks of life, with over 18 languages supported across the 1 million plus strong online community. So apparently they also have a Discord with over 1 million people in there. That is what, if you're looking for a strong project, there you go. Sometimes red and also green. Technology that isn't sustainable has no claim in the future. That's true. When it comes to energy required to run, no other blockchain comes close. According to the Crypto Carbon Ratings Initiative, Avalanche consumes the same energy as only 46 US households each year. Wow, that's absolutely amazing. Only 46 households. So energy-wise, it hits all the marks for being fast, scalable, and it's that whole ESG thing, which a lot of countries are starting to push now. So good luck trying to stop this bad boy. But their biggest thing lately is this Retro 9000. So right here, you can contribute to Avalanche ecosystem with this Retro 9000. The platform aims to streamline the grant distribution process by enabling our submissions, facilitating community voting, and providing real-time updates. So that's actually really nice. You can enter around right here. All submissions are public by default. If you are eligible before applying for a round. Connect your socials and submit regular updates and milestones. So this is really built for the projects trying to build on top of AVAX. So this thing, it basically just says you can participate in the Avalanche 9000 testnet by deploying a permissioned or permissionless layer 1 blockchain or building related developer tooling ranked up on the leaderboard by receiving community votes and sharing regular updates. So that's really nice. You can also upload your social feed, and then of course you have your leaderboard. But let's dive into this recent article here. The Retro 9000, a $40 million grant program, rewards developers building Avalanche Layer 1s. So I guess Avalanche with this Retro 9000, they're trying to become a little bit more like a Cosmos, where developers are going to build their own Layer 1 chains through the Avalanche network. This is absolutely amazing. But in an ongoing effort to empower developers building on Avalanche, Retro 9000, an up to $40 million retroactive grant program was announced today as part of the Avalanche 9000, the largest upgrade to the Avalanche ecosystem, funded by the Avalanche Foundation, with the goal of rewarding developers for testing and launching fundamental ecosystem building blocks on Avalanche. Retro 9000 empowers developers to do what they do best: innovate and build. So this is a really nice thing. You see, they're basically going to be paying these development teams with this $40 million in order to get the best ecosystem possible. While the current blockchain landscape offers countless opportunities, it comes with technical roadblocks, creating economic and logistical limitations that make building and developing projects challenging. So they're literally trying to allow these innovators to innovate. They're just giving them the funding they need, which is absolutely amazing. I'm going to link this in the description down below. If you want to read more into this stuff, you can, but let's go ahead and check out their coin market cap listing here. Current price sitting at, we'll see, we'll do the technicals pretty soon, but on here it's saying 39.25 is current price. Your total market cap is 16 billion, currently ranked at number 11 on the leaderboard. Your total supply of AVAX is sitting at 448 million AVAX. The max supply ever will be 715 million tokens. So that's really nice to see. Not a crazy high supply. They are listed on all major exchanges, so it's extremely accessible for you to get into. Now let's check out the technicals so you can see a little bit of why you are not bullish enough. Somebody's saying $200 as a mat. Are we serious? Previous all-time high, first bull run ever, you hit $146. That's a joke. You're like, oh, maybe you get $54 above that. That's a joke. All right. Anyways, on your weekly time frame, you can see we did get overbought here. We had our bearish divergence on the weekly. We pulled back. Now we are starting a brand new uptrend. This is absolutely phenomenal because we have broken above our 50 simple moving average on the weekly. We're holding it as support, not for just 1 week, not 2 weeks, but now third week in the row. Get this thing going. In the shorter term, what you would be looking for AVAX to get to would be somewhere around 103 to possibly 153% upside. Let's dive into the daily real fast just to see how we're looking. Bearish control zone, but the MACD is about to cross over bullishly. You can see right here, about to get that bullish cross, getting our first green candle. Currently, we did recently break out of a local downtrend right here. You can see it. We're broken out. We are now fighting with resistance at $39.97. From this smaller section, I know there's some traders out there that like the lower time frames. You would then be looking for a test at 67.64, and on that lower time frame, you would be looking at possibly 71% upside. Going back out to our weekly, what is more likely to happen? Understand this about most of crypto. If it lasted through one bull run and it survived the bear market, you are expecting anywhere between a 5 to a 10x of previous all-time highs. Keep that in mind when looking at some of these tokens that went through the last bull run. Somebody saying $200, I disagree. I would be thinking at an absolute bare bones minimum, you would end up seeing this thing getting a 5x above its previous all-time high, which that would yield you about, let's see, $888. If you hit 888, it would not surprise me in the least if you tap into that $1,000 mark. Also, wouldn't surprise me if you got into, like, well into the thousands, hitting possibly $1,500 on this bull run alone. Currently trading at $39.29 is a deep discount from where this thing could go. Noted, you should definitely do your own research. I will link all that I found here, but that tweet drove me up a wall when I saw it, because they literally said $200 this bull run. Shocking. Anyways, hopefully you do enjoy this style of content. I know it was a little ranty, however, I feel like we do have some pretty good information in here, and you could enjoy some amazing gains if you decide to hold on to this, but don't make any decisions before you do your own research, because crypto is inherently risky, and none of this is financial advice. I'm just out here giving information that I found and why I'm so gosh darn bullish on this project. Hopefully you do like this style of content. If you do, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will keep bringing stuff like this to your attention. I do have 2 exchanges that we are affiliated with. That is Buy, DeFi, and Weeks. You have amazing bonuses in there. The links to join those exchanges are down in the description below. There's no KYC. There's no VPN required. You guys can get in there, do your trading, and not worry about Uncle Sam diving into your pockets over it. Anyways, or being blocked because you live in the US. Anyways, outside of all of that, we do have a free Discord where we do trade setups, we do requests, we do all of that, as well as I go live every single day where I go over all the charts that everybody has requests for, and you guys can just get some answers. Anyways, if you do want to, join a live stream. It's a great place to be. We're coining a new little theme here. You get the TA, but the response rate of a gamer. So you get the crypto TA, but I do respond to chat. I talk to everybody. I say hi to everybody, everything. So yeah, join us sometime. It's a great time in there. Other than that, hopefully you're having a great start to your new year, and I look forward to seeing you around. Take it easy. Have a good day.